Changing your primary email on VMware is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your VMware account. Visit the VMware website and log into your account using your current credentials. Make sure you have access to your account to proceed with the changes. Step 2. Access account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate email preferences. In the account settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. This section will allow you to view and edit your current email address. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Double check for any typos to ensure that the new email is correct before saving the changes. Step 5. Confirm the change. After updating your email, you may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to verify the change and ensure your new email is active. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on VMware will be successfully updated. Make sure to keep your account information secure and up to date.